Wait, wait. Okay.
And some dolphins inside. And some trees which have very little leaves. Excuse me, cats
Okay.
over here.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, so we're having a lot of fun. Because the view is so nice.
Okay, Giovanni, what are you doing here?
Just looking at stuff.
Looking at what?
The waterfall and the flowers.
Do you like it here?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's cold and it has the big flower.
It has what?
What?
It has what?
Yeah. It's cold and it has that big flower called the rafflesia.
Okay. Can you give way for them to pass?
There's also a wheelbarrow there that's used for cleaning water. And then the beautiful view out here.
I like it here too.
Daddy?
It's so cold. Okay, let's see.